Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Gear Stick Gaiter on Audi A4 B6, B7, B8 in a few simple steps. You can find gear shift gaiter and knob for Audi B8 in the video description below. Make sure that you have the parking brake on and then put the gear stick on neutral. Then push the gear stick gaiter in the leftward direction and then lift it up. Then lift the gear stick gaiter up to see the metal clip. Then use the flat blade screwdriver to expand the metal clip and then pull the gear shift knob out. This is from another car, but the procedure is the same. So after that, you just have to pull the knob out. You can find gear shift gaiter and knob for Audi A4 B8 in the video description below. If you can see, there's some clamps on the sides. That's why you have to push the gaiter from the right or from the left side. Lift it up. If you have any suggestions about new Audi tutorial, just let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.